Guys, you clicked on a WBR Garage video and then you're sitting here looking at me. Now look, I know I have not been on WBR Garage for quite a while. Brian has been handling it, and we have some important stuff to talk about as far as what WBR Garage is going to be looking like moving forward, because there's a lot changing and we needed to update you guys, because if we're going to be honest, this thing's been a shit show for 2.5 years, so we needed a sit-down conversation real quick. So let's start out with where the hell, what bikes, what is happening, because 2.5 years is a long time. Things get forgotten. Trust me, I know. Okay. So when we started season 5 of WBR Garage, our whole master plan was let's build 3 CBRs at the same time and see what the different build structure is like for each motorcycle. That was a terrible idea. But we started with a CBR1000, a CBR600, and a CBR300. Now, if you guys noticed, most of last year, we were only building one bike at a time because we got so confused at like what stage each bike was at. It confused you guys, it confused us, so what we did is we paused 2 of the 3 builds we were doing. We only focused on the 1000. As of right now, our CBR 1000 is totally done. It's literally right over there. It looks awesome. We'll have links in the description if you guys want to watch the whole playlist. The only thing we have to do on that motorcycle is do the shakedown. Speaking of motorcycles that only need shakedown runs, also right off camera, we have the CBR 300, and if you guys haven't been keeping up with that bike is totally done. The only thing it needs now is a shakedown run, and it's totally done. It's dope. Again, we will have a link to that playlist in the description. You guys can watch through the whole thing if you want to. Moving forward, as you guys could tell, that's only 2 motorcycles. We are on our final bike to build. We have the CBR600 that, if we're gonna be honest, we as a team have not touched in over a year. The last time we touched that motorcycle, we were on disassembly phase. It's gonna be, we're gonna have to go back in time to start this build again, but we are only going to be focusing on the CBR600 moving forward until we get that bike done. As of recording this video, we have been filming every single day. Well, there was a week where we filmed nothing but WBR Garage episodes. We are sitting on a ton of CBR600 episodes. That is why you don't see the CBR600 behind us, because we don't want to spoil it for you guys, because there is so much awesome content coming. About the whole giving of the bikes away, there is a big change with that. We're still doing Patreon, but we don't want you guys to go over there because we have our brand new website, WBRgarage.com. That is where we are going to start doing entries for motorcycles. If you sign up on the Patreon page, you can do that, but you get double the entries over on WBRgarage.com. So if you guys want to support the show, moving forward, everything is going to be on WBRgarage.com. We have built that website. It is literally a custom website that we had built for you guys that enjoy the show. We've got all the build streams organized. We've got all the shows organized. Everything's easy to digest, watch it episode by episode. We have spent the last 6 months getting that thing built, and we built it just for you guys that enjoy this show. So if you guys want to support the show, do it over there, because we got 2 bikes left to give away. We got our CBR 300 that's already done, but we also have the 600 that we're in the middle of building, or we're about to be back in the middle of building that. And that's your best way to get entries. You get twice the entries no matter what dollar amount you support the show at. So we would really love it. If any of you guys want to win the bikes, go over to WBRgarage.com. So guys, moving forward with the CBR 600 videos, we have been given a time frame that is immovable. We can do nothing about it. So what we decided as a team was the best way to get that bike done in the time frame that we have to get it done is I get out of the way and I let Brian just do what Brian does and work on the motorcycle like he's able to work on it. I was behind the camera a lot of the times, and that's the way we decided to just get this done as fast as possible, because there's nothing we can do about the time frame that we have been put under. We can't really talk about what that time frame is just yet, but let's just say moving forward, there is going to be a very massive change to WBR Garage. You guys will find out in time, but as of recording this video, we can't really talk about it just yet, but it's coming. We promise when the time is right, we will be able to tell you guys what's going on and clue you guys into, you know, the whole situation that's going on kind of behind the scenes of the show. Now guys, kind of expanding outside of season 5, something that I just want to talk with you guys about is, on an internal level, season 5 has been the biggest challenge the team and I have literally ever had. What we've done is taken a lot away of what are the good and bad that we did during season 5. We've learned, I don't even know the amount of lessons we've learned throughout this 2.5 years. I know it's been a grind for you guys. Trust me, it's been a grind for us too. We're doing the best we can to get this content out to you guys at the quality level that we expect out of ourselves, and hopefully you guys expect out of us as well. I will say, after season 5 is done, after we finish up all of these CBRs, you guys are going to see a massive change to how Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage is done. The guys and I have had a lot of internal conversations, and we'll clue you guys into all of those changes, but we've heard you guys talk about the builds are taking too long, and you guys want faster turnarounds on builds. We hear you. We want the exact same thing. We want to stay energetic and excited about each one of these episodes, and we've learned a lot of stuff. So I guess the main point is we appreciate you guys sticking around with this show as we've kind of fumbled our way the last 2.5 years. And whenever we get into season 6, we already got plans. It's gonna be absolutely nuts. A lot of things are gonna be changing. So you guys just enjoy the rest of season 5 as we're finishing that up. But just know when we get into season 6, it might be a little different around here, but we got plans for double the motorcycles per year. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, guys, that's all the updates for WBR Garage. We got some big shit happening really soon for you guys. And I think it's going to be a little surprising when we get a few episodes into the rest of this season. We really appreciate you guys that have stuck around, and a lot of you new guys. We appreciate all of you guys helping support the show. Again, if you want to support the show and win the motorcycles we build, WBRgarage.com. Custom website made for you guys that we've been working on. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let us know in the comments. Go to WBRgarage.com. Just check the website out and let us know what you guys think about the new website in the comments down below. I think it's pretty awesome, but I would love to hear y'all's opinions. We really appreciate the support, especially you guys have been sticking around this during this entire season. You guys, you don't know how much we appreciate you. I'm Chaseontwowheels, guys, and we will see you when a CBR600 is on that lift. I am excited. Hopefully you guys are, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Outro crew, like I said, go to the website, check the website out, let us know, but put OC in your comment, because if you made it to the end, we love you longer. Okay, I'm gonna go work on something now.
Go to the Discord.
Oh, go to the Discord. We have a whole Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage section. You can hang out with people that only like Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage. We made it for you. Take advantage. Okay, bye. There's no invisible motorcycle. I was just trying to show you guys that.